It's the middle of winter and I'm barbecuing some delicious trout. This simple barbecue trout recipe is so easy. And if you want to follow it at home, I guarantee you're going to be thrilled with the results. What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue, out here grilling up a storm in the middle of the winter. Look at this delicious trout, cooked perfectly. Holy cow. Clean tasting, moist, tender, naturally rich, herb infused. Oh, bud, this recipe is a 10 out of 10. Make sure you like and subscribe. You know what's up. It's your boy. All right, check it out. I picked up a trout from the store, my local grocery store. And as you can see here, you just got to pat it dry with some paper towel. And I'm going to hit the inside with some Maritime Madness Habanero Mustard. Now, I'm not putting a lot. I'm just putting a light coating, okay? And that's going to add just a little bit of heat to this fish. It's going to be absolutely spectacular. You can see there I'm massaging it in, making sure to get the inside nice and covered, clean out any, whatever you might find in there. And then you're going to grab your favorite dry rub. I'm using Louisiana Cajun dry rub, again, by Maritime Madness. And I'm liberally seasoning this fish from top to bottom, both sides, the inside, the outside, you know what's up. Make sure to fully coat it. As you can see there as well, I put some slits into both sides of the fish, just for a little bit of style and hopefully to get that seasoning a little bit further into that flesh. Next, we're going to grab some fresh dill and we are going to stuff that fish full. Then grab yourself a couple slices of lemon and we're just going to slot those into the fish, making sure to secure them in there. Look, when you put a bunch of stuff inside of a fish, it's easy for it to fall out. So just make sure stuff's properly packed in there and you're going to be good to go. Optionally, you can hit the exterior of the fish with just a little bit of olive oil if you'd like. Nothing too crazy at all. And as you can see here, this fish is ready to go right out on the barbecue. This is going to be absolutely delicious, guys. So I fired up my Napoleon charcoal grill with a bed of Kingsford charcoal briquettes set up for 2-zone cooking. If you don't know what 2-zone cooking is, you should go watch one of my other videos about it. However, really quickly, it's basically putting all the coals to one side of your barbecue. So one side's really hot and the other side is just hot. Okay, we're going to put this fish directly over that coal bed. We're going to let it sit there for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're safely going to give it a flip. Now trust your flip. That's really important here. At this point, the fish is starting to cook and it's easy for you to get nervous and not complete that flip. And if you don't, bud, you can cause yourself some grief by really just making a mess on the barbecue. That's why I suggest you have some confidence. Next, we're going to move this over onto indirect heat. And we're just going to let this ride until it hits 145 degrees internal. Now look, trout is high in protein. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It's naturally low in saturated fat. It's packed with vitamins and it's easily digestible. I think it's perfect for the barbecue because it cooks quickly. You can get some good, beautiful, crispy skin on there if you know what you're doing. It absorbs smoke deliciously. It doesn't need heavy seasoning, and it's extremely versatile. Okay, and you can see here, this is just looking delicious. It's got a naturally buttery flavor without being heavy. It's so flaky and moist. Like, guys, it's a 10 out of 10. I'm going to just peel back some of this skin here and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. We got that balance between like a smoky charcoal grilledness and that fresh flavor from the ocean. Oh, buddy, it feels indulgent, but it's still healthy. Oh, man. I'm really enjoying this trout and I'm really glad I took the time to try and barbecue it. I'm telling you, seriously awesome alternative to heavier barbecue meats. Oh, bud. And as you can see here, flaky, tender, and delicious. Those are always what I'm looking for. Just check this out. Clean and just packed with flavor. That lemon and dill interior, that Louisiana Cajun dry rub, guys, it's amazing. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it. I hope you like and subscribe. If you're really into it, feel free to consider joining my Rub Club, a like-minded community of home cooks that just love barbecue and delicious food. Bud, thanks so much for supporting the channel by watching this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care and stay safe.